Hello friends, what's up? I hope everyone is well. Today I'm going to make a short video for you guys. It's about installation of memory card and battery inside the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Lots of people after buying GoPro Hero 9 Black for the first time, they become confused about installation of battery and micro SD card. So that's why I thought it's gonna be helpful for you guys if you guys know how to install this memory card and battery. So I hope you guys will watch entire video and it's gonna be helpful for you guys. So let's go to see that. To insert battery and micro SD card, at first you should pull this side to open, to insert this. You see, you should pull down and then open. After opening this part, then you can see the logo of GoPro, and you should notice that then whenever you will insert this battery, this logo supposed to be to the front display. You can see, and front display. This is rear display, front display. So this logo supposed to be to the front display, and then you should push it. You can see, and if you want to change your battery, you can easily pull it and you can bring it out. And to insert the micro SD card, you should remember the things. This leveling supposed to be to the battery. This leveling supposed to be to the battery. Then you should push by a fingertip. You can see it's inserted already, and after that you should close it. It's very easy. So I hope it was helpful for you guys.